Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, just now I get out of the house. It's already yeah, almost 6 o'clock. And yeah, because I was busy doing some computer works. I am day off today. Where's the proper way? Okay, go this way. Yeah. And now I am going to buy pizza here at Sharky's Pizza. And it's a 50% discount today. Everything. And because a lot of people are actually buying the pizza, yeah, I need to wait 20-25 minutes. We are now here in the Albura Marina, and I saw that guy. That's actually the like a mayor or the like the highest official of Port Stephen. This is how it is. Nice weather, actually a little windy, but very nice. And this is the Hawaiian pizza, Hawaiian Supreme that I ordered. It's $8.50. Regular price is $17 something. And I waited yeah, the guy said 20 to 25 minutes, so maybe I wait 15 minutes. And I don't know if you can see, but there are two like campers at the back. Yeah, they are having their dinner, eating something while sitting at the back of their van. Yeah, nice. I did not finish the pizza yet. I'm going to eat it later, or maybe yeah, maybe until tomorrow. That is good. I will put in the fridge. Yeah, this coffee is still very hot. Very hot still. And you notice the noise, the birds. Yeah, very noisy. When I was in the pizza shop at the Sharky's Pizza, yeah, I saw 3 Filipino. Yeah, 1 man and 2 women. Yeah, and because I heard them speaking in Tagalog, they had a conversation. Yeah, when they get close to me, I said, I greet them. I said, good afternoon po. Yeah, it's a Filipino greeting, good afternoon po. Yeah, and yeah, the guy actually recognized me, and then he introduced himself. And shout out to Mr. Mardasilio and the wife and family. It's nice to meet you, nice meeting you, nice talking to you. Oh yeah, my cup almost fly away. It's very windy here. We had a little conversation. They said that they are usually yeah, visiting here in Port Stephen because yeah, they like it here. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I'm going to just put it here in the floor. Yeah. So basically I was coming from work and I come straight here in the park near the beach. And yeah, I just set up my computer, my phone, ready to work, but I received a message coming from Rick. So basically Rick's wife made a Filipino sweet, like a rice cake, something like that. Yeah, they want me to try it. And so I am going there now. I just leave the computer there and we go. Yo, good afternoon again. Yeah, and I'm now here. And yeah, the time is actually already yeah, 6:57. I just came from the house of Rick, and amazing. Yeah, when I was actually driving coming from the house of Rick, yeah, my heart is full of happiness, and it is pushing my mouth and my eyes to smile. Yeah, so while driving I was smiling. We took a lot from 3, 4, 5, so almost 3 hours of chatting, and all the the conversations that we had is yeah, about positivity, achievements, all the good things. The feeling, I feel like the heart is very powerful, that can push your mouth and eyes to smile. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, that's why people needs to always hear positivity. Yeah, always need to hear inspiration, because you know, not all people are having this positive mind. Maybe you experience, you are talking to people who is always complaining, who share a lot of problems, you know. Yeah, but some people shares inspiration. So one of the topic that we had is when they went to New Zealand, instead of staying in the hotel, they rent a caravan so that they can travel anywhere and they can sleep anywhere. Yeah, actually that is a good idea. You have the flexibility of going around, and you're going to see a lot of things, a lot of places. Compare if you stay in a hotel, it means you need to travel, packing of luggage, opening of luggage. Yeah, yeah, it's amazing what they did. And of course, if you remember, I mentioned to you that Rick is the one who gave me an idea and inspired me to have an own house. Yeah, and until now I'm still positive to have a house here in Australia. Yeah, that's why it's good to talk to positive people. It's good to have a communication with the good people. You know, one of my friend, he has a brother, and his brother is like a, you know, like a hopeless. Like he studied very well, he finished 3 course, but he ended up just staying in the house doing computer, like just with browsing, doing like that, gaming. Like he never experienced to work, he never experienced to have a job. Yeah, and my friend feels like his brother is hopeless, like no future. And I feel that people like those needs positive people, yeah, to inspire, to motivate, to work or to dream, yeah, to have a good life. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I am also happy. Another thing that made me happy is that this thing, let's go to the other side. It's actually already darker here already. Yeah, so basically this is the food that they gave me. Yeah, it's not very clear here, but I will show you when I get to the house. But another reason is they give me a shoes. Let's switch on the light. Look at this. Yeah, when I was leaving the house, when I was getting out of the house of Rick, I was taking my Crocs, and I said to Rick, I already bought hiking shoes, because the people in YouTube, yeah, they are suggesting me to buy hiking shoes, and I bought already. And then when I was closing the door, Rick said, oh wait, I have something to give you. Yeah, and he gave me this. Yeah, this is a hiking shoes. Look at that. Yeah, and this one is rubber shoes, hiking shoes, and it's also waterproof. Yeah, and it's Columbia. Columbia is a popular brand. You see that? Waterproof. I am supposed to go to the grocery, but because they also give me food, I'm not going to the grocery anymore. And my computer is still there. Oh, it's already 7:28. Yeah, I didn't able to adjust it yet, because 3 days ago or 4 days ago was the, yeah, time saving adjustment. And this is the food that they gave me. Yeah, mung beans, smells familiar. Yeah, they also gave me this. These are Filipino dessert. I'm not sure if this is a rice flour or flour. Yeah, it's very popular in the Philippines. And another thing is ensaymada. Yeah, this ensaymada is very delicious. So basically, when I get inside the house of Rick, yeah, they made me a coffee and also served me, yeah, a piece of this ensaymada. The setting of this camera is dark. I need to adjust the setting. If I have a coffee shop here in Australia, yeah, I'm going to serve ensaymada. Yeah, ensaymada is delicious. I will show more of it to you tomorrow. Keep it in the fridge first.